today we are in Switzerland and we have come to Lausanne. Right now we are at one of the most beautiful views in the world. We are in front of the Alps and there's the Lake Geneva called Lac Léman in Lausanne. So let's enjoy the view here.
Turn around, I feel the breeze over me. You watch your dreams unfold. Let it come around and let it breathe over me. It's time to go away into the light. I feel the calming energy. I see the darkness coming, and I'm calling you to help me set me free. I'm calling for you. I'm calling for you.
So now walking through the downtown, we have finally reached to the source of Evian water. Now this is the same water that Virat Kohli buys and drinks for his good health,
And it is absolutely free here, so it's not something we should rave about. But yeah, it's spring water and it's very healthy. So we are going to fill some water bottles with it and drink some water and keep something safe for us.
so this is the much coveted, very famous Evian water source. How is it?
Very cold, but very different.